Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Right, so today I want to talk about blockchain based social media and why you should use blockchain based social media. Over the couple of years, we've seen big social media giants like Facebook sell user data, and it's been a problem, right? But how can this be solved? This can only be solved when the whole world start using blockchain based social media. Now I'm going to be listing my top three blockchain based social media, and I hope you like the video. Right, so the top on my list right now is Voice. Right, so Voice is a blockchain based social media that rewards you in voice token when you make posts, right? And yep, that's it. The amount of uh, or the weight of your votes doesn't depend on your account balance, right? So everyone starts from a threshold of one, and then you vote until you get to the maximum number. Now, for example, this post has let me just open it and see. This post has gotten about 4,800 voice coins already, and currently, okay, to voice it and be at the top, I'll have to voice it is about 6,200 coins. That means 6,200 will be deducted from this part. That's how it works, right? It's a social network that was built by Block One, the same company that built EOS. All right, moving on. The next on my list is Hive. Now, Hive is a fork of Steemit, right? And Hive was built by the same guy that built Steam. Like I said, it's a fork of Steemit, and Steemit was built by the same guy that built Voice, and his name is Dan Larima. That's him right here. Voice works almost similar to Hive. The only difference is that on Voice, the amount of money a post can make depends on the weight of your account balance. So if you have more of Voice, more Hive in your balance, that means your votes will actually produce more money. Right, so the third on the list, because I'm listing my top three blockchain-based social media. Third on my list is Apix. So Apix is it's it I think it was forked from Steemit, right? And they have a beautiful app. I've used the app. I've been using the app for well over 6 months to 1 year, right? So they have a beautiful website also, and they have an active community. The app is actually this beautiful. But I think they have the best blockchain-based social media app so far that I've seen, right? And they're doing really good. So I'll recommend these top three blockchain-based social media if you want to start using blockchain-based social media. So what are the advantages of using blockchain-based social media? Number one, you own your data. Number two, you get rewarded for the content you provide. You see, and you just get you just know your content belongs to you, and then you have a blockchain timestamp for that content. That means if someone else should steal that content, it will be on a blockchain that you produce that content first before anyone else. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.